Hello everyone, this is the PandaPhotographer and we live in the capital in Madison, Wisconsin. And right now I'm doing videography work, and as you can see I'm using a micro lens, and this is why micro lenses are the best at everything they do. They're very versatile. Look at how sharp that is. Look at that bokeh. Ooh. But let me show you this, guys. Let me show you. Look at the video. That is amazing. That is a fucking micro lens. Sorry for the language, but wow, I'm so happy. You guys haven't seen anything yet. Check this out. Check this out. Whoa. Let's go back. Let's go back. So here's the micro. Look at the detail. Look at the detail. And the sharpness from the micro. That's 2.8, by the way. ISO 800, 160 per second. And this is amazing. This is why micro lenses are very versatile. And I'm here doing videography work. So there's a lot of people here. My stuff is down there. It's safe. There's cameras everywhere. There's Capitol Police everywhere. So I'm not worried about my stuff getting taken at all. I'm familiar with Madison. Even the staff here recognized me and said, hey, ain't you the guy that did the videography stuff 3 years ago? Yep, that's me. I'm back. And I've been taking pictures of that. That is up there. So this is up there. And I took that from the bottom down there. So you guys tell me, you wouldn't want to buy or purchase a micro lens? Come on, guys. The micro lens is very versatile. It can get you what you need, the footage that you need. Now I'm using the Sony a77 Mark II. It's working. It's doing fine right now. And whoa, the detail. Now let me show you something else. Let me show you a lot more. Look at this.